In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Jira project. Whether you're looking to streamline your workspace, reduce clutter, or simply no longer need access to a specific project, knowing how to effectively leave a Jira project can be quite beneficial. So, let's walk through this process together in a few easy steps. To begin, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to your Jira dashboard. It's important to ensure that you're properly logged into your account, as this will help you access all the necessary features seamlessly. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. This is where all your current projects, tasks, and notifications are housed, giving you a comprehensive view of everything that's going on. Now, the first thing you need to do is direct your attention to the top navigation menu. You'll see a section labeled Your Work. Go ahead and click on it. This section is personalized for you and contains all the projects and tasks that are assigned to you or that you're involved in. It serves as your central hub for managing your workload and checking on project statuses. After clicking on Your Work, you'll see a list of projects. Browse through this list to find the specific project you wish to leave. Once you've identified it, simply select the project by clicking on its name. This action will take you to the project's main page, where you can view all its details, including tasks, issues, and other team members who are part of this project. Now, look at the left sidebar of the project page. This is where you'll find various options and settings related to the project. What we're interested in here is the project settings. You'll need to click on this option. It's here where you'll find the necessary tools and settings to modify various aspects of the project, including permissions and roles. Once you're inside the project settings, you'll want to keep an eye out for a symbol that resembles three vertically aligned dots, often referred to as the ellipsis. Clicking on this icon will typically show you a drop-down menu with several administrative options. It's quite useful for accessing less frequently used settings that still play a critical role in managing the project. Among the options in the drop-down menu, there's one labelled Move to Trash. Go ahead and click on Move to Trash. This option allows you to effectively remove yourself from the project, essentially archiving it or removing it from your active project list. Once you've done this, the project should no longer appear in your list of active projects, eliminating any unnecessary distractions from those projects you're currently focused on. Now that you've followed these steps, you should have successfully left the project. It's always a good idea to check your dashboard and the Your Work section once more to ensure that the project has indeed been removed from your list. Doing this serves as a final confirmation and allows you to verify that everything went according to plan. If at any point you find yourself needing to regain access to a project you've left, remember that your project administrators can easily re-add you. Alternatively, you could reach out to your team members with administrative privileges to assist you with rejoining. Congratulations on successfully navigating through the process of leaving a Jira project. Even though this might seem like a simple task, mastering it can greatly enhance your efficiency and effectiveness as you manage your workload and responsibilities. By cutting down on unnecessary noise in your project list, you're better equipped to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it useful, don't forget to like the video or follow our channel for more tech guidance in the future. In the meantime, enjoy your newfound clarity and productivity on Jira.